Hi everyone, this is Dollar. Today we're going to put in an Aqamai fan to help the water circulation. I'm getting some cyanobacteria in the tank, and I've read that it's due to lack of water flow, amongst other things. So that's one of the fixes I'm going to do for it. So today we're going to install this fan. It's actually one of the fans that came with the BioCube kit that I bought, the Deluxe kit I bought on marineandreef.com. So we're going to go ahead and install that. It's a Wavemaker and it's controllable with your smartphone. Here is the control unit, and this is the Wavemaker pump or fan. Actually, you can see it's very small, about the size of a large egg. So we'll go ahead and open this up and get it going. So how this works is it's a multi-magnet system. You have a magnet here. This goes on the outside of the tank, and this goes on the inside of the tank. So like that. And then the fan or the Wavemaker pump goes in there like that. It has a wire, comes out of the tank and into the controller unit. We're going to put the pump on this side of the tank, right in here, kind of centered in the glass, blowing across the coral there. You can see I have a cyano problem right now, and I can do a video on how I'm addressing that as well. But right now we're going to go ahead and get this wave pump in there. That's part of the fix for the cyano. The first thing you want to do is get your scraper and clean the glass really good where it's going. So we got the two pieces here. Just going to put them right where you want the pump. Okay, on the cable closest to the pump, they provide a cable protector, and this is to keep fish and critters from picking on their wire. And it just twisted and it comes undone. Just twist this, and we're going to put it on the wire. So it just wraps around like so. Put this all the way on. And then slide it up all the way to the fan. So the Wavemaker portion, just again the magnet goes on like that, adjust it the direction you want it. Then we're going to route the other end of the cable, same place we put the heater wire. So pull that all the way through. So we routed it. There's a little notch right here. So we'll put the cable through there, and then out the back, and we can close the hood. Okay, underneath the cabinet, I put a screw mounted high. There's a little tab at the top there for a screw hole. And it'll just hang on there like that. I routed the other end through here, and we'll just connect it up here. There's a 3-pin system on this. So we'll male to female here. There's a little tab on there. We'll align those. I don't know if you can see that. And then there's a cap that it screws on to secure it. Same thing with the other end of the power brick. So align the tabs. Snaps in. Screw the cap on. For the power brick, just attach the little plug extension, and we'll plug it into the power strip in here. When you first turn it on, the LED on the bottom will be white for a few seconds and then it'll turn yellow, and that'll put it into a default 50% mode, which it's doing now. I can see some of the cyano actually, there you go, flowing in the current. Now that it's flowing, I'm going to go ahead and set up the Wi-Fi for it. You may want to consider putting the controller on the outside so you can see the LED. But for now, I'm going to leave it in there. If necessary, I'll relocate it. So the next thing we want to do is get the Aqamai app and set it up to control the Wavemaker pump. So go ahead and download it onto your smartphone. You can see the icon here in yellow. We'll go ahead and open that up. And the first thing it's going to ask you to do is go into your settings and connect it. Once you get to settings, you want to open up your Wi-Fi connection. Right there you can see it says Aqamai KPS. Go ahead and connect that. And we'll enter the default password. And we are connected. Go back to Aqamai. Manage the device. The next thing it tells you to do once you get the Wi-Fi connected is to reset the controller. Do an update. There's a button right next to the white LED. Push and hold that for 10 seconds. And it turns white. When it updates, it'll go back to yellow. And we'll get back to you when that happens. Okay, it only took a few seconds. The light went back to yellow. So now we're going to go back to the app. So you go back to the Wi-Fi page and say forget this network. And then reselect it down here. Re-enter the password. And we go back to the app again. To finish the update, go back to the Manage Single Device, hit the Settings button, and you have some options here, and you want to delete the device. Once the device is deleted, go ahead and hit Research Device. It'll search and find a new device and ask you to reconnect it with the Wi-Fi. Now go back to Manage Device, and you'll see your device on the screen. Once your device is set up, you can go over here and select Set, and there's a bunch of options here based on the fish only, fresh planted water, etc. So I'm going to set mine to LPS soft corals at 100 liter, 200 liter, 50 liter. I'll go with that. Choose a set, yes, and it's going to load that. And we have a set in there. So the different settings on this are basically every half hour through the whole day you can program a different type of pulse. So this shows you at 1 o'clock in the morning, night mode, 35% flow rate. It goes to the day, you can see it gets brighter with waves, with random, so forth, all the way back into the evening again. So it's pretty cool how that works. You can set up a default one for the type. Like I said, we have LPS soft coral 50 liter for mine, but you can set up a custom one and make your own however you want it. It's hard to tell it's going, but it's going right now. You can see some of the bubbles getting pushed through the water and circulating. It's on the soft coral setting right now and running. So if you have any questions on this, let me know. I'm hoping it'll help with my cyanobacteria outbreak, as well as using some chemical treatment. But thanks for watching, and subscribe if you're interested. Thank you. Bye.